When you first log in, you'll see that i2b2 is made up of several panels that together enable the user to search and analyze patient data from your institution's local electronic health record system. You can use the medical concept terms on the upper left to construct queries in the upper right. Results of the queries will then appear in the lower right, and the history of results and queries is shown in the lower left panel. When building a query in i2b2, the first step is identifying the medical concepts you want to use from the upper left panel labeled terms. To make it easier to find specific terms, expand this panel by clicking the icon in the upper right corner. The terms list includes many domains of medical concepts, including demographics such as age, race, and sex, as well as diagnoses, lab tests, medications, procedures, and more. The specific list might be different at your organization than what is shown here. You can explore the terms by clicking to expand folders. And to close folders or minimize, you can just click on the icon again. When building a query, you'll drag and drop a term into the query panel on the right. Dragging a folder into the query will search for patients who match any term within that folder. To look for specific terms, such as diabetes, use the search field above the term list to more quickly find terms. Selecting the appropriate domain will help to more effectively find the right terms. Once you've done that, click the search icon to look for concepts. When the search is complete, results are displayed below their parent folders, so you can see how to find any given term via navigation. Results from your search are displayed in bold and will show the highest level folder anywhere that a search term is present. Matching results which are in those folders are omitted to save space. You can see, for example, that diabetes appears under the parent folder, endocrine, nutritional, and metabolic diseases. To explore the search results in the context of the full hierarchy, explore related terms, or explore more specific terms under the search results, simply right-click on a result and select Browse in Tree. This will display the search result in the full hierarchy and allow you to expand the term to navigate to more specific concepts such as type 1 or type 2 diabetes. At any point, click X to clear the search box and begin looking for additional terms to include in your query.